Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can install the Zoom application into your Windows. So this is very helpful, especially for online meetings or online classes. So on how you can download and install that, go ahead in the Windows search bar and open any of the browser that you have on your Windows. So I'm going to open the Microsoft Edge browser. In the search bar, type Zoom download, hit enter. Then you'll find this Zoom.us download center for Zoom apps and plugins. Click on that. And here you'll find download for 64-bit, 32-bit, download for ARM64. Now my Windows specification is 64-bit, so simply click on download 64-bit. And the installer file will be downloaded, so we just have to wait for that in a while. It's from zoom.us/download. So let's just wait for the installer file to be downloaded. This one right here. Now once done, click on it and then close the browser. And let's just wait for this process to be done. And after that, you'll have the Zoom Workplace into your Windows. So here it is. We have just installed the Zoom Workplace into our Windows. Click on Done. And then if you want to join a meeting, simply click on that and then enter the meeting ID. And then you can also click on Sign Up if you don't have an account yet. So you just have to wait for that to load. Okay, so in my case, this is still take time to load, but in your case, that will not really take time. So to confirm if you have just installed the Zoom Workplace into your Windows, you can simply search for that in the Windows search bar. And you can also click on sign in from here. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.